Go to geometry screen by pressing button. Select handle mode by pressing handle button. Set for Z direction offset. Move turret down by rotating the handle. Set for Z direction offset. Move turret forward side by rotating the handle. Put the paper between job face and tool to check the proper contact. After job and tool contact the offset screen, select at column of tool 3 on screen. 0 out Z. Press 0. Press measure button to add Z offset value. Set for X direction offset. Move turret back by using handle. Move it up by rotating the handle. Move turret up by using handle. Move turret forward by using handle. Move turret forward by rotating the handle. Move turret downward by using handle. Check there is no gap between job and tool by using paper. Select X column of tool 3 on screen. Select left 0 out X. Press 4 button on screen. Press 5 button on screen. Press measure button on screen and an X offset is done.